Hey guys, so it's crusty musty candy. I'm having a lot of hair issues today, so it's all just bunched up in a clip because that's what we do. And of course, there's Kevin, and the other freeloader here is sleeping under a blanket. Look at that, freeloaders. I'm gonna start charging them. I have my Boxycharm basebox. Boxycharm. Ooh, there it is. I'm so dang exhausted. I'm after work and I just want to go to bed. So let's see what we got. I think I took some of this stuff out of the package because y'all know I ain't gonna work. Okay, so the first thing I have is a Lucky Chick. And what the hell? It is liquid eyeshadow. The manufacturers. Well, someone manufactured it. It is $22. And it's this beautiful pinky color. I don't have my glasses in. Oh, it's in rose quartz. Ooh, it's so fancy. It just sounds fancy. Looks like this. It's like a harder tip, but it's so beautiful. It really is beautiful. Very much unlike me. And for all of you that have been reading comments, I have them and I've been trying to respond, but I can't remember, and I haven't had any time to really do any research. Next we have unopened. We have, what is this? What you be? I can't remember. Ah! my ring light just decided to heat. It's like, bye bitch, no one wants to see you. Okay, this is Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara for $15. And this is really good. It looks like this. Of course, I already tried it because I am that bitch. Hold on. Yeah. I don't have it on today because I forgot about it in the box. But it's really little, so if you have little teeny tiny eyes, like I do, it's perfect. Like it. I like this a lot. Like I would maybe purchase it. Next we have this. This is Sella by Celine Tardrisi. Whatever, I probably butchered that. This is Glacial Clay Cleanser. This is $45. I've not tried it. Glacial Cleansing Cream helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to renew a fresh, glowing appearance, enriched with natural botanicals and extracts and minerals from glacial oceanic clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. Let's see what I gotta deal with. Hey. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. You wanna go to jail? Hey. You gotta be sitting. Cats get more action than I do. What the hell? Okay. Back to me. My nose is really red because I have some sinus issues and shit going on. You know, that's what happens when you get old. Not that I know, but that's what I heard. Next, we have the beautiful Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This is for $38. I did try this, and I actually like it. I've tried the regular one, and I wasn't crazy about it. But this mother is good. It's good. This is in 220 nude. Oh, 220 neutral, I mean. She looks like this. And like this. Trying to get just the dab. And can't really see it because it blends in. Now, the last thing, my dumbass is not right here, so I'll be right back. Ah! Oh, sorry, I had to show you Flopsy and Mopsy. They're just hanging out, chilling. The next thing is Christopher Robin Broom Volante. Oh, instant volumizing leave-in mist. It's in French or something. This is for $38. Holy crap on a cracker. I have used this. This is really good. I don't always look for a lot of volume because I have this going on in my life. So, yeah, I'm good on volume. And this is me trying to put it back, okay? This is why there's a clip in it, because, yeah, I know. The 80s and early 90s called, and they want their hair back. So I got a cute butterfly clip. So beautiful. So beautiful. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. So that is it for... Where the hell did I put the box? That is it for Boxycharm Boxy Spring Revival. Here. She's beautiful. We love her. Hope y'all have a great day.